In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the spool on a Kobalt 40V electric string trimmer. This is the model number of the string trimmer used in this video, and then here is the corresponding string you're going to need. And the model number is right there. In just a few steps, we'll have the new one on. So it's really easy to get this cap off here. You're going to press the button on this side and then one on that side. You're just going to squeeze them in and then wiggle it off. And that gives you access to the spool. It slides right off, and as you can see, it has spindles on it which holds it in place. We're gonna set that aside. We actually don't need that one anymore. Open up our new one, and it's always a good idea, make sure it looks like the old one. You can see the spindles only go halfway up the side. So we're gonna take this new one, and the little spindles go down. We're gonna get our cap. So we just need to get these strings positioned correctly. One's gonna go out this side, the other one's gonna go out this side. And we're just gonna stick it right up in there. And you're just gonna unclip it from this one. All that's doing is just holding the string on the spool until you get it on here. And then unclip this one. And then from that point, you're just gonna sit it right back down, and you're gonna line up your holes on these little tabs and click it into place, and you're good.